In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a spreadsheet in Canva. Whether you're a seasoned Canva user or a newcomer eager to explore its capabilities, this tutorial will guide you through the straightforward process of making your own spreadsheet with ease. So, let's get started. Firstly, you'll want to head over to Canva's homepage and log into your account if you haven't done so already. It's always helpful to be signed in so you can save your work and access it anywhere. Once you're all set up, look for the search bar, which is usually at the top of the page. You're going to type in Spreadsheet. Canva provides a wide array of templates, so this is the quickest way to find all the spreadsheet options available to you. After typing Spreadsheet, a variety of templates will be displayed. Take your time to browse through this collection of spreadsheet templates. Canva offers a diverse selection because they understand that each person's needs can greatly differ. Some templates might be more suited for budgeting or managing projects, while others could serve better for tracking data or organizing schedules. Choose the one that best fits the project you're working on or the one that visually appeals to you the most. It's important to pick a template that closely matches your vision to save editing time later. Once you've found a template you like, click on it to open a preview window. Here, take a closer look at the design and layout. If it meets your needs, you'll want to customize it. You can do this by clicking the Customize this template button. It's usually prominently displayed alongside a description of the template. This action will allow you to enter into the design interface, where you can make alterations and personalize your spreadsheet. Now that you're in the editing mode, you can begin to modify the text on the template. Canva's interface is designed to be intuitive, so you can easily select text by clicking on it. Replace the placeholder text with your own information relevant to the sheet you're creating. Whether that's data labels, column headers, or specific figures, adjust these to suit your project needs. Remember, you can also change the font style, size, and color to align with your aesthetic or branding requirements. If you need your spreadsheet to convey a particular message or fit within a specific theme, these adjustments are crucial. With the text edited and everything tailored to your satisfaction, your Canva spreadsheet is ready to be saved or shared. Make sure you frequently save your work throughout this process, ensuring no effort goes to waste. Canva allows you to download your finished spreadsheet in various formats, so select the one that best suits your needs, whether that's PDF, PNG, or directly sharing through Canva's link. I hope this guide helped make creating a spreadsheet in Canva clear and straightforward for you. Take a moment to explore and experiment within Canva. It's a wonderfully versatile tool that can accommodate your creative and organizational needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with more useful Canva tips and tricks.